My name is Francis. I work at Seiko Auto Service in Monrovia, California. And the class that I took in May helped me a lot of the basic duties of my position. And this class that I'm involved in now gave me more practical uses of not only my job, but what I can help the rest of the team back at home develop, because the shop is a team unit. So I'm excited to go ahead and implement a lot of the things that I'm learning. These type of trainings do help tremendously, because whether you're in the industry for months to years, I've been in the industry for over 15 years. This is my first time doing service advising. Every training that I've had has been different, but I think training like this is more key to developing yourself, because you see other shops here going through similar things and different things, which help you develop those different aspects you didn't think about while you're in the shop. So the training is not only the teacher, student, but it's also the people around you who are investing into having those conversations with you and sharing their experiences, and then you sharing with them so that it makes them better. So, priceless. With the training here, I think it is vital for my career growth, because it gives me a different perspective on where I am as an advisor, and who I am in the shop, and how I can help everybody. And since I want to always know things, because I think it helps me share information with clients or customers or guests that come in, I think it's extremely important to be able to grow. And I think these classes, these trainings are one of those things that'll help.